Computer Information Systems at Laney focuses on computer science, computer programming, data science. We even have courses in artificial intelligence. It's a diverse program with lots of different entry points for students of different experience levels with computing, all the way from digital literacy to college level data structures and algorithms. So students enjoy the process of learning about computers, learning about data, and really becoming more confident with computer systems.
Mr. Williams not only teaches, computer things, but also the computational side of the human thinking to help you integrate a mindset that can help you become a better programmer. Instead of just jumping into a bunch of numbers, he breaks it down into simple steps that we can actually understand at a pace that really, really allows even someone as a beginner to grasp different concepts.
So we have courses in Java, C++, Python. We use Jupyter Notebooks. We use SQL. We have an assortment of languages. In addition to different programming languages, our main teaching tool is a Raspberry Pi Linux-based computer. It allows students to have an open source tool that they can customize, configure, and learn hands-on in a different way than they can learn with a closed source operating system.
You have full control of what you decide to do. So you can build a game, you can build an app or try to build like the back end of an app. I've seen people that build apps that track calories and like nutrition. I've seen people that build games and they're like reloading the clip like 1,000 times.
Thinking about becoming a software engineer and any of those hardcore jobs, it sounds really, really cool because there's major opportunities out there. You get to work with a lot of tech companies like, again, Microsoft Excel, Meta, all those like ginormous companies, even Instagram.
So students who graduate from the Laney Computer Information Systems Department will be well positioned to work really in any industry that utilizes data. And for us, that wide option base for students is our goal, that you can really get into the industry that you're most passionate about.